Tehillim 57. For the chief musician, to the tune of Do Not Destroy, a poem by David when he fled from Shaul in the cave. Be merciful to me, Elohim, be merciful to me, for my soul takes refuge in you. Yes, in the shadow of your wings I will take refuge until disaster has passed. I cry out to El Elyon, to Elohim who accomplishes my requests for me. He will send from heaven and save me. He rebukes the one who is pursuing me. Selah. Elohim will send out his chesed and his truth. My soul is among lions. I lie among those who are set on fire, even the sons of men, whose teeth are spears and arrows, and their tongue a sharp sword. Be exalted, Elohim, above the heavens. Let your glory be above all the earth. They have prepared a net for my steps. My soul is bowed down. They dig a pit before me. They fall into its midst themselves. Selah. My heart is steadfast, Elohim. My heart is steadfast. I will sing, yes, I will sing praises. Wake up, my glory. Wake up, psaltery and harp. I will wake up the dawn. I will give thanks to you, Adonai, among the peoples. I will sing praises to you among the nations. For your great chesed reaches to the heavens, and your truth to the skies. Be exalted, Elohim, above the heavens. Let your glory be over all the earth.